Attention! This is an emergency broadcast. The following message is transmitted at the request of the authorities. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Residents are advised to remain indoors and avoid all unnecessary travel. A mysterious figure known as Blue.Horror has been sighted in the area. This entity is highly dangerous and should not be approached or seen under any circumstances. Reports indicate that Blue.Horror possessed anomalous abilities and may cause harm to individuals it encounters. If you encounter Blue.Horror, do not attempt to engage with it. Seek shelter immediately and contact local authorities for assistance. Stay tuned to this station for further updates and instructions. I repeat, this is an emergency broadcast. Stay indoors and remain vigilant. Do not make any noises. If you hear any strange noises or feel a presence somewhere, turn off the TV immediately. This message will repeat in 30 seconds if still on. Attention! This is an emergency broadcast. The following message is transmitted at the request of the authorities. This is not a test.